Hi everyone. So today it's going to be a birthday read for those born on the 7th of November. So a very happy birthday, darlings, and let's find out how this entire year would be for you. So angels and spirit guides, please can we have some messages for my lovely people whose birthdays are today. Let's see how this entire year would be for you. Okay. So let's see what messages. Okay, there we have, and I think let's have those messages because I think too many messages have flipped out. So I will have all these. Interesting you have, my darlings. I'm quite happy for you. You actually have all good cards except for one, but there's nothing to be sad about. It's like, something good. Okay, that one card is a good one. Let's put it that way. Okay, now let's have some angelic messages. So angels and spirit guides, please can we have some message? How will this entire year would be? What angelic guidance would you give to my lovely birthday sweethearts? Let's see what's in store for you. What guidance is required? Let's see what more messages can we have. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we have one card that just flew out. Interesting. Okay, let's see if there's any more message coming up. I'll just have one more shuffle. No, I think maybe that's the only message, or strong message, that's meant for you. So be it, as I always say. Okay, let's begin with your read. So darling, you can expect a new beginning coming up your way, and I somehow have a feeling that a new person seems to be entering your life, which is something that you've been dreaming about, waiting for. So yes, you will find a new partner coming up your way, a person who's a carefree person, very energetic, enthusiastic, attractive, who will bring liveliness in your life. Okay, so yes, you can expect a good, warm-hearted, a loving, cheerful energy coming in your life. So yeah, that's a good sign. If you want to know who this person is, then darling, you need to listen to your intuition. So yes, you could of possibilities, you could also be a person who is very spiritually inclined, or someone who believes in a lot of spirituality. Okay, so if you are a person who's watching my video, darling, you need to follow your intuitions. Okay, and if you don't belong to a spirituality, but just who believes in the universe, any form of energy you believe in, then always work on your intuition. Meditation, maybe that is what universe is trying to say, that probably, darling, universe is blessing you with something good coming up, but then you need to open up your third chakra, is what I would say. So yes, through meditation, that should help you, and always listen to your intuition. Now these two cards, which I said that okay, fine, it seems like something good, but over a period of time, darling, maybe off late, you could have either been exhausted, or in this upcoming year, you might feel exhausted or tired, or you might think that okay, fine, I just don't know how to go about it, or it's like mental exhaustion. Physically, you've been through a lot, darling, and mentally you could feel exhausted. Okay, it also means that you could be coming out on coming out on a road of recovery, let's put it that way. So maybe over a period of time, if you have been falling sick, or you have not been keeping well, okay, on health front, or mentally, emotionally, however you can say it, physically also, now universe is actually giving you a new chapter. Okay, you have been patient enough, and universe is saying, darling, now you are going to recover from whatever pains or whatever those emotions you've been through. now is the road to success that you will go in. Okay, you will have all the good things, and yes, you will recover. Okay, so maybe this card definitely signifies that you've been through a lot on emotional and physical front, so now you will definitely come up in life. It's like, universe is blessing you. Angels are saying that you need to be playful, my love. So start spending time with your children. If you are married, if you have children around, please spend time. If you're single and young and, vivacious, be like a child. Spend time with children. Do something, anything that relates children, like, any hobby that should help you revive. Or definitely you have an inner child. Remember, everyone has an inner child within ourselves. Okay, so bring that inner child and enjoy the life of happiness. Maybe that is something that has you've been missing. Also, what I would suggest, somewhere, because I'm getting that vibe, it may not relate to all, but yes, in case if there is anything that in this entire process of your journey for the next upcoming year, if there's anything that bothers you, or you think something is something that is blocking you, for example, then try to find out which inner child of yours has been triggered. Okay, so you need to walk down your memory lane, try to find out such incident where you think you can relate to, and maybe that is the root cause that can help you in bringing back the zest or the happiness. So if at any given point you think you've been sad and you have given up and you don't know what to do, then try to go down in your memory lane in your age, at what point in life that child in you saw that situation or went through that situation where you decided, okay, fine, I'd rather not be playful, but I would concentrate on my studies or something, and you missed being a child, you missed having playful time with your friends as such and all. So maybe that is something what angels are saying, that darlings, go meet your friends, start spending time with them, so maybe these are the things. Or you missed enjoying chocolates or ice creams because you were diet conscious or something as that. So do something on as a child that you have missed on. Maybe that should help you. Okay, now let's find out some more through universe if there are any more messages coming up. So angels and spirit guides, are there any messages for my lovely sweethearts whose birthdays are today? Any more clarity that you would want to give? And yes, we have too many messages. I'll take this one. So there seems to be a tough moment that you're going through, and you don't have to worry, my love. You will have all the good things coming up. Okay, now because I took all these 4 cards because they had actually turned. Okay, so my love, that's the reason I have taken. And let's see if there is any more message. So angels and spirit guides, are there any more messages coming up for my lovely people? Okay, just turned around but it didn't pop up. Okay, so let's see. Okay, maybe those are the only messages which were quite strong enough. And yes, I will definitely take the bottom of the deck because that is quite interesting. I just turned around and it says High Priestess. So High Priestess and the inner voice. How better can it get than this, darling? It definitely means that you need to listen to your inner voice. Okay, that is quite important. Now I'll explain in depth what these cards are trying to tell you, so you will have a better clarification. You might go through some tower moment, or you could have been through, okay, because it's a collective read, darling, so maybe that is what it's trying to say. If at any given point you have been through this tower moment, it's okay. Maybe something good is supposedly to take place. That's the reason you're going through this emotion. Okay, let it go, allow, accept and release. Okay, don't hold on to it. Any destructive thoughts coming into your head, release it. Okay, avoid taking rash decisions and avoid being too harsh on yourself also. You need to calm down, so always listen to your inner intuition and always stay calm. This is what it's trying to say. So it can be like, loss on financial front as well, like, sudden loss. It's like, you worked so hard and then suddenly that thing just loses out, like, you miss on that contract. That could be one thing. It can also be in like a heartbreak, like, something that you've expected a lot but it didn't happen. So yeah, some tower moment. If you have been through, then yes, something good is expected. And if you've not been through, then yes, it's a warning sign that, darling, you need to be careful about. what it's trying to say is, then the reason, because we always have clarifying cards, then yes, 10 of cups, so something on your family front, something that you have been waiting for, yes, you will have that. So you will have a completion. So yes, the person that you have been daydreaming about, darling, you can expect a new energy of love coming your way, who will complete you, you know, entire, all the good things, like, you know, a perfect family, lot of love and care and good things. And if you can see the rainbow colors, all beautiful. You will have all these beautiful, what a coincidence, you can see all these colors are also merging. So yes, you will have a lot of prosperity, good health, love, whatever, peace, whatever you deserve is something that you will have. So if at any given point you're going through a tower moment on your emotional front, don't worry, something good is definitely coming up your way. You can expect some good news also coming up. So it's like, you know, 6 of Wands usually depicts a good news coming up. It can be an engagement, a commitment, a partnership, but some good news is definitely coming up. And the good news, I believe, is the 7 of Pentacles. So it, yes, the patience, the hard work that you have put in, now you're going to start reaping the benefits, but you just need to hang on a little more, darling. Okay, you don't have to worry, you will receive. And the entire gist, again, as I said, how better can it get than this is, because we have the High Priestess. The High Priestess usually says you need to listen to your intuition. That is exactly what I said on the initial front. Yes, it says inner voice. And if you want to see a coincidence, number 2 over here and number 2. How better can it get than this? So yes, universe is definitely telling you that in this entire year, darling, always listen to your intuition, because that will help you. Okay, maybe people could think that what they are thinking is right, could be wrong on your the intuition that you say is, follow that. That will help you. And yes, something good is definitely coming up your way. So always, if you want to have a clarity, intuition will definitely help you. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Do hit the bell icon, darlings, to get notified for any more such videos, interesting ones. Take it as it resonates. Maybe you know, whatever resonates, just take it. The rest you can leave it behind. That's all I have. Stay happy, stay blessed, and happy birthday once again.